I'm here at the Atlanta Humane Society, where animals in need are receiving the care they deserve. And today, we're asking you to support these animals during our COVID-19 Community Pet Fund Drive. Your donation will be doubled to provide care for animals like Misty, who just weeks ago came into our care covered in scabs.
Her skin was red and inflamed. Just imagine living every day, every second in pain. That was Misty's reality, a product of years of neglect. But you can provide Misty the support she needs during this global pandemic, and you can ensure that the Atlanta Humane Society will be there for those who need us the most, like Misty.
Right now, your donation will be doubled to provide the love, care, and support that these animals need. Please give generously at atlantahumane.org.